What's the meaning of alienable? Alienable. 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 Alienable.
The term alienable refers to something that can be transferred or conveyed to someone else. This means that the possession, ownership, or rights associated with a particular object or entity can be given or sold to another individual or group. The opposite of alienable is inalienable, which refers to something that cannot be transferred or conveyed in this way. Examples of inalienable rights might include the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, which are considered fundamental and cannot be taken away or transferred to another person.